Hello and welcome, I'm your Code Monkey. Steam just had the October Festival the other day, so I asked you which one of your games had demos available. Here I'm going to play through 5 of your games and give my feedback on both the games themselves in terms of game design, usability, mechanics, and so on, and then I will also give feedback on the Steam store pages based on my knowledge of Steam game marketing. By the way, there were actually more than 5 games submitted, so thank you so much for that. Initially, I wanted to go through all of them, but this video is already insanely long with just 5 games. This took ages to edit, so I really had to limit it to just 5. There are timestamps in the description for each of the games, and I also made a page on the website with links to all the games, so you can go play the demos for yourself and add them to your wishlist. Now if you enjoyed this video, go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe. If people find this format useful, then I'll keep doing it every time there's a Steam festival. The next one is actually going to happen in February, so if you didn't make it in time for this one, then maybe get ready for that one. So next up, let's look at EON Trooper. So EON Trooper is a thrilling adventure where strategy, action, and player choice are at the heart of each mission. Delve into enemy territories, execute crucial missions, and choose between stealth strategy and direct combat to achieve your objectives. Okay, that's a nice little short description. I like it. Nice, short, and to the point. And look in the screenshot, it's kind of like a top-down shooter sort of thing. Okay, so let's give this a try. Okay, so I quite like the music on the main menu. Sounds really good. Okay, let's begin with the tutorial. All right, movement, WASD, of course, grenade, use, stun grenade, that's fun. Crouch and roll. Then shoot, knife, power attack. And of course supports controller as well, but since I'm guessing this is a shooter, I prefer to use the mouse. Okay, so let's see. Every time you eliminate an enemy with your knife, you can get ammunition or bandages, plus your special attack will be charged. Okay, right away, I like that mechanic. Sort of like Doom, forcing you to engage in close combat, so that's nice. When ready to use, aim and destroy multiple enemies in one hit. Alright, okay, so that sounds good. Let's see. Right away, I really like the art. It's like some vector art, and it looks really nice, really good. Okay, so apparently we make some sound. There are some nice... Music is great, everything is looking really good so far. Can I interact with this thing? I already forgot about the controls. Yeah, I definitely have memory issues. Okay, so on Q, throws a grenade. Then on R, I assume I have limits. Yeah, I assume that's a 2 and 5. So on R, that throws a stun grenade. And didn't E do something? I thought it did something. Okay, so maybe it's the interact. How do I pick it up? I guess I don't because... Oh crap! I hit on R to reload and I threw another stun grenade. Okay. Yeah, I think that's gonna be a bit tricky to handle that muscle memory of always hitting R. Oh, so I got a maximum range. Alright. And he dropped some kind of gun. Okay, I'm not seeing any stats, so I don't know if this one is better or not. Okay, so the bullets are moving at an interesting speed. They're somewhat slow, but they are perfect for being able to dodge, so that's actually really good. Okay, do I need any... How do I pick up the health? Okay, so for the interaction, it appears that the interaction is not based on mouse position, but rather on the character position. Okay, so I'll have to remember that. And again, all these weapons, it's really nice. I always love games where every weapon is dropped, every weapon is pickable. That's just fun. And do they have different ammo? Oh, they do. Okay, so I guess I should probably stick with my pistol, which was somewhere behind this rock, but I can't find it again. Okay, so this one has 35. Let's see. And there was, oh, right, on shift, I can crouch. Ah, so I can essentially, and can I throw a grenade over top of this? Nope. Okay, so that doesn't work. Although the sound is a bit strange because it says the range is like this, but apparently they can hear me from quite a bit further away. Oh yeah, right, totally forgot to use the melee and the power. Okay, can I maybe try to sneak behind this guy and try to knife him? Oh, nice. All right, so I think I got a little bit of power. Ooh, got something that looks like a SMG and I got 150. Throw grenade. Ah. All right, that was a nice radius. I don't need any more health right now. I still don't know what are these things. Well, I'm assuming the objective, disable defense lasers and sabotage the enemy ship. Okay, that sounds good. And wasn't there, oh right, I got a dodge roll in space, so I gotta use that as well. Oh boy, okay, I went a little bit way too much. Let's hope this one has some health. Okay. I think I prefer the more impactful shots of the other one. I assume it's more impactful. Would be nice to be able to see the max range. So like as I move the cursor past the maximum range, I think the cursor should probably go red or something like that. Or maybe I was wrong about the max range? No. Because yeah, if I aim there, it doesn't get it there. So it would be nice to be able to have visually see, okay, is that guy in range or not? And when these games, something that I always really like, that always feels really good, which I did add, and because I made a bunch of top-down shooters back in my Flash days. I've never made a Steam game like it, but yeah, back in the Flash days I did. And yeah, basically just making the camera look a little bit towards where the player is aiming. So basically, if I'm aiming to the right side of the camera, instead of pointing right down the middle, it should be pointing a little bit to the side. That makes the game feel quite a bit more dynamic. So personally, if I were developing this game, that's one of the things that I would add. It makes the camera move quite a bit more and also allows the player to see a little bit further. So that's fun. Ooh, nice. One shot. Does this have headshots or something? So I think they weren't being one shot a while ago. Yeah, being able to see guys underneath, it's a bit tricky. I assume that if I touch that, I'm gonna die, so I don't want to touch that. I still haven't figured out what are these things. Maybe that's respawn points? I really like a weapon that one-shots enemies. Just one shot. Although I haven't really used the melee thing. Yeah, I guess I should dodge. Yeah, but like that, I take quite a bit of damage. So actually shooting from distance. And what are these things? I have no idea. More crates there. Got some ammo. Okay, let me use the... Oh, crap. Oh, crap. Yeah, I wasn't expecting that. It's not like I tried to use the power, but I didn't know what to expect, so I didn't know what was going to happen, and yeah, that kind of messed me up. So I would say for that one, I would probably like to see that mechanic and try out that mechanic in a safe space. So on some kind of tutorial level, just go so that I know what to expect, so that this doesn't happen where I basically die just because I had no idea what to expect, and all of a sudden everything went into slow motion, I just died instantly. Okay, so do I start everything from scratch? Would be nice to have a little checkpoint, but okay. Okay, so now I got... So apparently the starter weapon is like the worst one. Like it has no range, so on this one with much shorter range, yeah, it definitely would be very beneficial to being able to see just how far I can shoot, so yeah. So I much prefer the bigger weapon, just shoots once and just kills them in one shot. Ah, it's really difficult. I don't know what am I... Oh boy, way too many. I don't know how I'm supposed to do melee with them, since it is really difficult to do it without getting hit. Also just a minor polishing thing. Ah, crap, a lot of hitboxes. Minor polishing thing would be down here on the health bar, make it a little bit more animated. So like when I get hit, the red part should go down, but then there should be some kind of white part that only goes down a little bit afterwards in order to demonstrate just how much health did I actually lose with that one shot. Because right now, I think I done like 5 shots, but I'm not 100% sure. Okay, let me... Yeah, it would be really nice if the interaction was based on the mouse position, because, yeah... Oh boy. Picking that one up is really tricky. Yeah, really not sure how the... I get the idea behind the melee, and I like it, but it really needs some sort of mechanics so that I can safely be able to melee all these enemies without taking tons of damage myself. Maybe I'm supposed to do something like that? Just do a dodge roll really close to them. Okay, so maybe that's what I'm supposed to do. All right, that actually feels good. So once again, that is something that I would include in some sort of tutorial level, teach that mechanic, because yeah, it does seem like that's what I'm supposed to do instead of just moving like that. Okay. Okay, let me actually pick up a bunch of them. Just 2 of them. Can't I get more? Boom. Ah, that was nice. Should have a few more effects, but yeah, I like the mechanic. Oh, and only now I noticed that apparently there's... Oh, crap. Alright, so I guess I gotta take this quite a bit slower. Okay, so let's do it slowly now. Pick up the SMG. Oh, this actually... Oh, did the weapon change? Oh, that's nice. I like it. Alright, I really like the particle. Oh boy. I put up way too many. Oh! Alright, that was fun, but definitely way too intense. Okay, let's try again. Yeah, now I got an SMG. Yeah, the shotgun was much better. I would say visually the weapons probably need to be a bit more different, because I mean, I swear the shotgun looked exactly like that one. Yeah, so basically I cannot aggro tons of guys at the same time. If I do, then I can't really. Also, since there's a field of view mechanic, that field of view should probably be shown to the player. So like, well, that guy gets... Okay, maybe there isn't a field of view, maybe it's just based on distance from the screen. Okay, so basically I was going to say that if it is based on field of view, like I can't see him behind that, then the area behind that should probably be a little bit darker. But if it's just on the edge of the screen, then I guess, yeah, just fading in. Although that's a bit strange. If it is just on the edge of the screen, then I don't think it should fade. But, okay. I guess maybe I'm also supposed to be quite a bit more deliberate with my shots and use stealth quite a bit more. Oh boy, nice. I don't know what are these things. And I haven't really been using my grenades. So I'd say for that, I would probably add some sort of timer in the code. And if the player has grenades, but they haven't used them in quite a while, definitely flash it in some way, something like that. Okay, let me try to actually complete the objectives. I would like to have a little special thing. Nice. What is the max? It's 4. Alright, that was cool. Nice. Can I shoot through the laser? No, apparently. Oh, I can. I just hit the... It seems like the hitbox... Yeah, the hitbox seems a little bit too big. Usually you want to have the actual hitbox quite a bit smaller than the actual object. So the hitbox should be something like 20% smaller than the actual visual object. That always makes the game feel quite a bit satisfying. It's a small thing, but it does matter quite a bit. So there was a guy there that disappeared and appeared. So maybe there is a field of view, fog of war sort of effect. Oh boy. How many guys are there on this map? Nice. I gotta say, when I managed to slide and slash them, that feels really satisfying, so that should definitely be encouraged. Just gotta... Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. Oh boy, oh boy. Oh, whew, okay. I really like the sniper. The other weapons are fun, but yeah, the sniper is just... And does it have invisibility frames? I actually didn't check yet. Ah, I got hit. Ah, I always get hit. They really need some sort of mechanic to make it a bit easier to get within melee range without... Ah, because yeah, like that. Oh crap, Oh crap, I can't pick it up. Okay, so how do I actually get inside there? Okay, I gotta shoot that, I assume. Am I shooting the right thing? There are no... I mean, because yeah, there are no health bars, so I have no idea. Can I go through the laser? I'm assuming I can't, and I really don't want to die trying out. If I throw a grenade, then nope, does not get anywhere that far. Okay, so I really don't know what the game wants me to do there. I mean, if the game had checkpoints, if I were to die and I'd spawn there, then I would feel confident in trying out to see if this kills me. But without checkpoints, knowing that if I die, I'm gonna have to do the whole thing, that makes it quite a bit trickier. Ah, I missed. Grenade! Boom. I still haven't tried out the... Oh, crap. Still haven't tried out the stun grenade. Yeah, I guess it just stuns them. Makes sense. Okay, so maybe... Oh, boy. So maybe I was right in not trying to... Oh, I don't know. Oh, okay, I got to interact with it. Nice. Okay, so I think I was right in not trying to lower the defenses. Okay. All right, let's try this one. Ah, crap, the range is terrible. I like to shoot them from a distance. Oh, I'm out of grenades. All right, throw that one. Just mow them all down. Ah, crap. Oh, crap. Ah, I fired the grenade accidentally. Am I out of ammo? Or am I stunned? Why can't I shoot? Okay, I don't know what happened, but I can't shoot. Why can't I shoot? Okay, I don't know what happened, but that weapon stopped working. So can I now take this out? Run away. Oh boy. Extraction zone. Okay, let's go. Get out. Is this the extraction? Oh crap, I gotta survive for 20 seconds. Oh boy. It's gonna be tricky. I really wish the game would give me a few grenades right now. Oh boy. Yeah, I'm pretty sure I'm not gonna make it. Oh, come on. Ah, Oh boy. All right. Yeah, that was definitely tricky. Yeah. I really wish the game had given me a few more health back somewhere, maybe a grenade or two, because boy, that was quite intense. But yeah, I'd say I definitely enjoyed that game, so that was definitely quite fun. So let's now look at the store page. So I think the capsule is really nice and spooky, nice icon, nice logo. So the capsule is really good. I think the short description over here is also pretty nice. I think after playing it, my only concern is I don't know how well the Steam audience reacts to basically a top-down shooter. But looking at the screenshots, there's quite a bit of content, so I think if it has quite a bit more abilities, I still haven't figured out what those tiny things were supposed to do, but anyways. So yeah, with a bunch more abilities, a bunch more weapons, a bunch more enemy types, more skills, things like that, maybe it could work. Again, I really don't know, because top-down shooters, they're not quite very popular on Steam nowadays. I don't know if that's because there aren't too many or because they don't tend to do well. I'm not sure about that. And yep, as always, got to check, do you have GIFs on the store page? I have no idea why this first one isn't animated, but yeah, all these nice GIFs. Because I do think that the shooting works quite well, the sound design is quite good. So yeah, in general, looks like a very well made game, so I hope it does well. Let's go and add it to your wishlist. Okay, so next up we have TVs The Revival. So TVs The Revival is a platformer single-player game that balances exciting action with challenging puzzles. When the hero Yu awakens from a coma, he is driven through strange events living in the TV's real world to unravel the mysteries of his past and defeat evil forces plaguing the region. By the way, there's a minor typo over there on plague. But yep, a nice short description. So basically this is a platformer single-player game. Okay, so let's try this. Okay, my mouse is gone, so I assume... yeah, this is like... okay, I assume this works with a controller. Okay, so I'm looking at the controls. So I've got move, jump, crouch, roll, and interact. Okay. Alright, so let's go. New game. Okay, so apparently the story is TVs are fighting one another and then something happened. Okay, so right away, in terms of visuals, I quite like it. Obviously got some excellent use of lighting, some excellent use of volumetric lighting, volumetric fog. So in terms of visuals, right away it looks really nice. Okay, so this is a 2.5D platformer, so I can only move left and right. Oh, that looks really bright. Okay, so far so good. And the reflections on the floor, oh, really nice. Yeah, visually speaking, right away it looks great. Oh boy, okay. I assume that's not intentional, so I got stuck somewhere. So I got the crouch, and the Y was a dodge roll, and then I've got an interact. Okay. Alright, so the camera there, it has no cuts. That's nice. I like it. Looks good. So far in terms of level design, everything looks really nice and varying. Can I interact with this? Oh, I can push it. Why is the TV pointing straight down? Okay, wow. In terms of variety of environments, quite a bit. Everything looks really nice. Oh boy. Okay, alright. Well, there you go. Okay, so I apparently have to dodge the cameras. So how do I dodge that? If I can't jump above it? Can I just go slow? Nope. Or I guess maybe I am supposed to speed through it? That sounds a little counterintuitive. Yeah, because I just got interact. I can't interact with anything, so I assume that I just have to speed through it. Okay, yeah, that definitely feels a little bit counterintuitive, but okay, alright. I'll keep that in mind. Oh boy, timing elements. Go on, go on. Oh, I thought, oh. Okay, that's a strange pattern. It's got like 3 or 4 states. Okay, go, go, go. That one, does it only have that one? Right. Okay, so that one looks like one of the bad cameras. I can only move left and right, so... okay, I gotta get behind that little... but why do I have to take this with me? I assume I have to take it with me. Okay, go, go, go. Okay, apparently I don't need to take this with me. Or maybe I do. Oh boy, I feel like I can just barely make it. Ah, okay, good. Alright, and the background looks really nice. They're destroying robots, destroying TVs. That's a bit dark. Let's go, elevator. Oh, so I die based on Looking at the sun? Is that it? Okay, so apparently the sun is bad for TVs. Okay, so this is the sun. This is not the sun. Alright, so let me wait for that one to go down. Go, go, go. Come on, go down, down, down. Alright, nice. Go, go, go. Do I have to time it? Go, 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 go. Whew, almost. Oh, things that fall down, I assume. Oh, there's an extra box here. I assume I'm going to need this for something. Is there like a secret in there or something? Or I guess not. I guess this is the intended thing, because through here I can't go. Oh, now there are TVs with guns. Okay, so when is that TV gonna shoot me? Do they see me? Okay, so I guess I'm safe here. Again, I really like how the camera moves in just one take. I assume this is very, very much inspired by Limbo and Inside and those kinds of games. Let's go sprint, sprint, sprint. Get all the way here. Crouch. Even though I think I could sprint the whole way through. Go, go, go. Okay, so I assume that light is in the background. Oh, is there a way to get up there? Oh, I guess that's where I need to go, right? Yeah, I'm gonna guess that I need... Or not. Or maybe yes. Oh, what? Yeah, I guess there's no way to go through, right? Because that guy is... I assume he's gonna one-shot me. Go, go. Sprint, sprint. Go. Nope. Alright, that was fun. Okay, so I'm really gonna need to pick up a box. Or do I need to carry 2 boxes? Can't I just jump on this one? No, it's not. Actually, it doesn't... Yeah, he does pick up. Okay, so I thought I need to push it all the way back, but apparently not. Okay. Yeah, visually speaking, the game looks really great. It has a really nice use of lighting, fog, all kinds of effects. All of them looks really nice. Okay, so I need to get this box down there. Yeah, I don't think that I can get through that guy, so... Can I pick it up? Alright. Okay, so there's the patrol guy there. Okay, gotta wait quite a bit for him to come through and go away. Okay, jump. And let's go. Run, run, run. Keep going. Oh, how do I push this? Okay, so I grab the hold. Okay. Go down. Nice. Alright, so I gotta wait for the platform. It would be nice if the right stick allowed me to look a little bit ahead. Because right now, basically just waiting for the platform to come back. Alright. Okay, the camera is shaking. Why is the camera shaking? What am I controlling? Just a second one. So do I have to stop him? What does stopping do? I don't know, but I assume that I have to get onto this one. And then jump onto that one, then the next one. But I don't see the next one. Go, go, go. Okay, now what? Yeah, I think now I'm screwed because I assume the other one is going to stop at that point. Let's see if it does. Okay, yeah, so that one stopped at that point, so... How am I supposed to... I'm pretty sure there's nowhere that I can go, is there? Okay, so I really don't know, because I need to be sort of positioned in the middle, but I'm pretty sure I can't make that jump. Can I? Okay, I'm pretty sure I cannot make this jump. Nope, not even close. Okay, so honestly, I'm quite a bit confused. I'm not sure what am I supposed to do, because this one just keeps that one moving or stops it. Yeah, it just gets to that one. Oh, I think it's a timing thing. Okay. So I need to get, like, super close to this one. So I think, like, this one might actually work. Okay, this is quite a tricky thing. Stop it a little bit. Okay, is that going to be enough? Or is it going to get there too fast? Yeah, it's going to get there too fast, right? Come on, move faster. No. Yeah, now it's moving the other direction. I can't get it. Nope. Right, so I gotta say, the puzzle definitely increased quite massively in terms of difficulty. Okay, so I gotta stop this one here. I'm gonna wait pretty much until the last possible moment. Alright, so like this. Oh, crap. Is it gonna be too early? Oh, it is, isn't it? Yeah, I can't make that jump. Nope. So I gotta, like, wait, pretty much. Yeah, because they have the same speed. So pretty much... yeah, because then I also needed to be super close to... Oh, come on. I also needed to be super close to the other guy. So I guess I need to use that one primarily for timing. Yeah, it needs to be close enough for me to jump on the other guy. And hopefully that won't be close enough for this one as well. Hey, come on. Can I make the jump? I can. Alright. Now can I make the second jump? Come on, where's the other one? Okay, I'm in. Woo! Alright. Well, that was tricky. The game was being super easy, no puzzle, no nothing, and all of a sudden it became really tricky. Alright, let's go. Whew, nice. Let's call in the elevator. Can I call in the elevator? Okay, so I can do something up here and something down there. Okay, so I gotta drop the box over there. So let's first grab the elevator up there. Okay, so I gotta basically... Oh, it's pushing me. No, well, actually, it doesn't matter. Yeah, I can just... The box is quite a bit floaty. Definitely should fall down with a bit more of a thunk, but yeah. Alright, next one. Nice. I guess right now, if anything, the only thing is it doesn't feel like it has much of a progression. Although, to be fair, I'm not the target audience for these kinds of games, you know, kind of like Limbo Inside, very story-focused, or supposedly story-focused platformer games. That's usually not the kind of games that I tend to play, so I don't know what players of those games, of those genres, expect. But yeah, everything has a really great vibe, but... Okay, I assume that's going to fall down. So, oh boy, that one falls down as well, down as well. Alright, nice. See, compared to that other one, this one is much easier. Okay. Is that pushing me? It kind of feels like, yeah, it's just a aliasing bug. Yeah, okay, so how do I do this? Yeah, I would say the interface over there needs to be a little bit more visible. Maybe flash the lights or something, because, yeah. But anyways, yep, let's go and just roll. I really like the roll. It's fun. Oh, there's one on the back there. I didn't even see it. Let's go, roll. Try to that one, roll, and let's go. Yeah, I totally missed that first controller there. Alright, some really nice posters. Yeah, in terms of art, it definitely looks unique. Having a bunch of TV face characters definitely looks quite strange, quite unique. Okay, got two more controllers. What does this one do? So, always rotates that one clockwise. Oh, did I just accidentally get it? I think I just accidentally got it. Okay, I mean, I'm not a fan of puzzles, so yeah, I'll take blind luck over skill any day, yeah. Alright, that was good. Okay, I guess I made it. That was probably supposed to be quite a bit more complex, but okay. Alright, so we got some lasers. Okay, so I gotta jump. Ooh, almost. Oh, crap. No, don't shoot me. Oh, that's gonna be tricky. How do I hide from it? There's a... Oh, okay. I don't want to risk it. Yeah, I could probably have risked it. Oh, how do I get... Oh, I can crouch under, I suppose. So let me just go... Ah, nope. Okay. Wait, go... Yeah, if I roll, it doesn't actually... Okay, no. I thought I could crouch, but apparently I can't. So I don't have any safety from that thing, so I gotta pretty much just sprint the whole way through. Yeah, I guess so. But if I sprint, I'm gonna die. Oh, okay, so it doesn't actually hit every shot. Ah! Okay, so I gotta keep moving. But can I push this? I can't, so... Oh! Okay, once again, that was just blind luck. I did not expect that. I was not actively trying to do that, but... Again, I'll take it. Come on, come on. Oh, nope, nope, nope. Okay, so come again. Dodge it. Okay, go out. Push, push, push. Alright. Crap. Go, go, go. Ah, whew. Alright, nice. Okay, there's a box there. I assume I'm going to need it, so I might as well take it with me. Uh-oh, red lights. Dodge. Now what? Okay, so I guess it's kind of like a boss fight with stages. Now they're all out? Intentionally? Okay. Oh boy. Go, 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 go. Whew. Alright, that's fun. That's a fun idea for a boss fight, I guess. Okay, so now what? I assume at some point it's gonna disable. Nope, nope. Whew, okay, nice. Do I pass in? Oh boy. How do I dodge this? Ooh, really nice camera motion. Nice. Oh, did I die instantly? Oh, that's annoying. Yeah, because I was on the other edge. Oh, and now I gotta carry the box with me. Yeah, this little checkpoint should definitely be quite a bit further ahead. Okay, so dodge this one. Okay, jump that one. Now that one is intermittent. So turn it on, turn it off. Good. And now I gotta wait at the corner. Alright. Okay, so now I know that apparently it's gonna damage me if I'm on the left side. So I gotta be on this side in order to run away. Oh! Okay, that was a bit abrupt, but yeah, that was definitely nice. Alright, so yeah, in terms of style, definitely has a style, definitely has quite an interesting artistic look. I'm not sure about story, about what am I supposed to be doing, what is going on, but I'm definitely intrigued with the whole TV aesthetic with weapons and doing so. Yeah, definitely considering how this is a genre that lives or dies based on sound alone, then yeah, I would say so far looking great. So looking at the store page, in terms of the capsule, yep, it is excellent. I think the logo is actually a little bit subpar compared to all the excellent art that the game has. The logo seems a bit too basic, but sure. It's a nice capsule. So yeah, the short description, I think it's also pretty decent. So it says what the game is. So platformer single player, so that's nice. Down here again, I really like this image. I would only suggest make it an actual animated GIF. So like make these little units move forward, maybe the guy in the background move a little bit, maybe the smoke move. So I think this would, it's a real nice image, real nice composition, but I think it would be better as a GIF. And over there, I actually think the boss fight is probably the least impressive part, so I would probably take a GIF from any of the other parts in the game. But yeah, like for example, I think this one looks much better than that one. That one looks a bit confusing. I only know that it's a boss because I played the demo. Without playing the demo, I would have no idea what exactly is going on here. Whereas down here, it looks clear that it's an environment. So up here, I would probably put a GIF of the character playing, moving around, doing something. So yeah, but some nice GIFs. Visually, the game looks great, so I think that should be the main selling point. And yeah, like I said, not really my kind of game, not really my kind of genre, but I really enjoyed my time with it. It was nice, it was mysterious, suspenseful, and visually, which is a big part of this genre, visually definitely worked. The game looks quite gorgeous. So yeah, really nice. Yeah, great job. Nice. So let's go ahead, add it to your wish list. Alright, so game number 2 is Overrider. So take on a high-speed hoverboarding adventure through a post-apocalyptic world, make tricks, craft gadgets, and fight robots to stop an AI onslaught threatening to wipe out the remains of humanity. Alright, so let's give this a shot. Alright, so this one seems like a racing driving game, so I'm going to be using a controller. It's got a nice feedback window, so that's always good. It opens up a simple Windows form, so that's the super easy way to get some feedback. And as always, when getting feedback, you want to make it as easy as possible for the user. So yep, just being able to choose between numbers instead of having to write tons of text. Yep, this is great. Same thing for the other button. So wish list, yep, you should always have this. Devlogs, okay, so this is nice. And Discord community, again, if you can do it, that's great. All right, so let's start off. Okay, we got some nice story. First thing that I would say is just add some simple text animation to the text. That is one of those things that is super easy to add, and that's quite a bit of polish, makes everything look quite a bit better. Just a simple text writer. Same thing for the character animations. That could easily be polished with just making a handful of frames of animation, literally just moving the mouth and nothing else. Okay, use rotor shift downhill, so left trigger. Okay, so left trigger brings me down, and I can use momentum to start going. Oh, left bumper. Alright. Okay. Not sure how am I supposed to do tricks. Does that mean... oh boy. Okay, I have no idea. How do I actually... okay, XB. Okay, somehow I feel like... okay, so I feel like somehow I jumped off where I wasn't supposed to. Because yeah, I have no idea how do I perform tricks. Alright, apparently I performed a trick there. Okay, I would say I'm definitely quite a bit lost. I have no idea how do I gain more power, more something. Like perform tricks. So I'm pressing the right mouse bumper, but it doesn't... I don't know how do I perform the actual tricks. I don't know if I'm supposed to do something to this. Battery rush, delivery of battery. Okay, so got some nice in-world missions. Although it's a bit tricky that I still have no idea what the controls are actually like, so... okay, apparently I failed that. Alright, so I really would like to find my way back into the tutorial, because I have no idea what I missed. Okay, so I really have no idea how am I supposed to perform any tricks. So really no clue what just happened. Alright, so yeah, I think I'm just gonna go back to the main menu and try to start a new game. Okay, so let's see if now this time I don't miss where I'm supposed to go. It's not like went down there. Use rotor shift downhill. Okay, perform tricks. But I have no idea how am I supposed to perform tricks. I pressed the left mouse button and now I just lost. Okay, I really have no idea what exactly I'm missing. So am I supposed to go down there or not? Okay, so I fell down here again. Okay, I just picked up something. Again, I have no idea what it is, because apparently I can't pick it up. Okay, and I just fell down again, so I'm gonna quit again. Okay, trying out again. So let's see if now I can make... Okay, go downhill. Yes, I am going downhill. Now what? Perform tricks in the air to charge your end. So I press... Okay, so I finally figured it out that I was somehow pressing right bumper instead of left bumper. Okay, so now I'm kind of getting the hang of it. Oh, that's cool. So I can destroy it. Oh, and that's how you damage as well. Do I have health anywhere? Okay, there it is. 44. Alright. Gotta say, it feels a bit strange how I have to hit them head on. I'm not sure how I'm supposed to dodge the bullets. Did I get him? Nope. Alright, there you go. Oh, are they respawning? Am I supposed to damage this? No, I guess not. Find, destroy 2 roamers. I only got 6 HP, so I hope it works. Okay, oh god. Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. No, 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 no. Okay, it seems I died. I quite like the visuals. I think in terms of visual style, the game does look quite nice. And in terms of the movement mechanics, it took me a bit to finally understand them, but yep, I do think the game plays quite well once you understand how it works. Although I still haven't quite figured out how exactly am I supposed to not take damage, considering how they attack me like this. Because like I can only attack them if I go straight to them. I guess I am supposed to just try to dodge them and then attack them. I'm not sure where am I supposed to get some health. Alright, cool. But yeah, the combat does feel nice. The attacks feel nice and satisfying. I assume that the faster I go, the more it damages. So I haven't figured out the tricks. How do I do different tricks? Is it supposed to be random? Or is it supposed to have some kind of control? Because it seems like it doesn't matter which way I'm moving. It always seems to do the same thing. Go 1, 2, 3. And I can hit it. Oh boy, I'm already out of health again. Woo, let's go down. Oh boy. I really like how inventive the robots are. Oh boy, that's a big one. Alright, nice. The world does seem to be quite open, quite varied, quite vast. So that's good. I really like the FOV. Everything looks pretty nice. Some random damaged building here. Oh, is that a healing station? I could actually use that. Is it? Oh, it is. Nice. Does it have a map? Nope. I think the only issue is, since the game is all movement-based, it seems to have way too many flat planes. So like over here, there's not much where I can have fun and go fast. It's all way too flat, so I'm not sure. Like, I want to go in that direction. It seems like I gotta go through a super slow speed. Maybe the boost effect, maybe that one should reload naturally. Because like this, yeah, so do I slide down there in order to go in there? I'm not sure. Okay, so is this where I'm supposed to come? So I think I was in the middle of making some mission. Oh, so I gotta get the other things. Let me try to get these guys. Boom. I get them. Oh god, almost nothing. Nice. Okay, I gotta go there. Okay, how do I go there? But in terms of environment, I quite like this world. Everything looks really nice. Lots of apocalyptic vegetation, stuff like that. Looks really good. How do I get there? Nope, not here. Battery rush challenge. Nope. Okay, I assume I have to go through here. Now what? Oh god. Okay, so I have no idea if I'm even going in the right direction or not. I have no idea how I'm supposed to get there. Okay, so I've been playing for about 40 minutes, so here's my thoughts. Basically, in terms of the world, in terms of the creation of the world itself, the visuals, everything looks really good. I really like it. In terms of the movement mechanics, they take a little while to understand, but after I do, it seems to work quite well, so that's quite good. However, in terms of world traversal, well, it's really great that the world is really big. It also makes it really boring how there are so few hills, so there's like very few opportunities for me to actually get any speed, and it's very easy to lose the speed. Then on the tutorial, I was also completely confused as to what buttons to click. That's definitely my fault since I haven't used a controller in quite some time, so I was confusing left bumper with right bumper. But still, it would be nice to have some extra buttons explaining which one should I be using. And in terms of guidance on the world, well, the world is great. It's very huge, very varied, and looks great. I really think it should have some actual proper guided waypoints in the middle of the world so that I know where I need to go. And I don't know if I'm missing something, but I can't actually get to this waypoint, so that's a bit strange. So in general, it looks pretty nice, plays pretty nice, just needs quite a bit more guidance for the player. Looking at the store page, the capsule is a bit odd. I like the art, I do think the art looks good, but it doesn't make it super clear that this is some kind of hoverboard. And the overrider over there, it's a bit hard to read. So in general, I like the colors, but I think it could have a bit better composition to make it a bit more clear what the game is actually about. I think it should make it absolutely clear that you play as a hoverboard. That is something pretty unique that very few games have, so I think that should be one of the main selling points. Description is great, talks about what you do, so take on a high-speed hoverboarding adventure, make tricks, craft gadgets, and so on, so I do think that's good. Screenshots also pretty good, they're also quite varied, they show quite a lot of the game, quite a lot of the world, so those are really nice. Over here, having a GIF for add to wishlist, that is really good, that is really nice. And GIFs over here on the entire description, really great work. So if you like some fast-paced hoverboarding on a nice, huge open world with lots of movement, action, lots of things, then go ahead and add this one to your wishlist. Okay, so next up we have Le Chateau, with a strange character over there on the A. That is always an interesting choice, going for weird characters. It's always interesting to see how the various store pages handle things like that. For example, Steam on the actual URL doesn't actually include that A. So create your own medieval kingdom and watch your world come to life in this minimalistic city builder. Choose your world size and shape and turn it into a kingdom any ruler would be jealous of. Sounds interesting, so let's see. Okay, welcome to the Le Chateau demo. Find controls by pressing the question mark in the top left and enjoy. Unlock new tiles by finishing builds and exploring fun and weird ways to build your kingdom. Okay, so this one doesn't even have a main menu, just goes straight into the game. So for a game like this, that's great. Just get started right away. Let's just see the controls. So WASD in order to move the camera. Seems to move a bit slow, but okay, that works. Tab and shift to rotate. Okay, that's good. Nice and satisfying. I really like the sound effect. Okay, great. Then click to build, right click to destroy, duplicate, change roof colors. Well, that's an interesting feature. Rotate the building and switch the building. Okay, so this looks like some kind of gate thing, so let's put it over here. Okay, what am I selecting? Okay, I'm selecting a house now. So let's put a house over there. Let's put a little tower there. Another gate. How do I rotate with the R? Oh, and I can switch. Oh. Okay, so am I supposed to switch buildings automatically or not? How do I... Okay, tab to rotate. So I put some trees, some little things there. Another thing. Okay, so I got a little entrance, and behind I've got my nice little kingdom. Finished build. Ah, that's a nice animation. Okay, so I've got a large tower. It's a tower but large with a tall pointy roof. And a bridge. A bridge on water and a wall gate. I gotta say, the animations for the text, I really like it. And all of the satisfying sound effects, those all sound really good. Oh, so now I restart instead of basically continuing to build on this one. Okay, so let's restart that one. Okay, so now I got a big tower. So let's put a big tower over here on the corner. Let's put a thing over there. I have no idea what that is. Some kind of wall with a strange hole. Okay. And put some more things. And some more walls. And another tower here. And maybe another tower there. Can I remove this one? I want to put a little tent in the middle. It's actually quite a bit tricky. Okay, there you go. Tent in the middle. And another wall over here. Okay, so this one should be a wall corner, some kind of thing. Oh, I can't find the wall corner. Is that intended? Yeah, I can't find on this one either. Oh, so are the parts limited? Because I can't find a wall corner. Okay, so let's put just some trees over here. And on the other side, also some trees. Right, there we go. There's my super cute little tiny thing with 2 towers. Okay, let's go. Finish build. Again, the sound effects sound really nice. So apparently that did not give me anything. So let's see. What am I actually supposed to be doing? Okay, it goes to a Steam guide. I have to say, I'm not sure how many players actually enjoy going into an external guide. So I would say putting this inside the game is probably for the best. So talents are unlocked by getting in-game achievements. Okay, so that's actually pretty nice. Making achievements gives you more tiles. That's a nice, simple way to do it. Oh, and I can change the tile of the world. Alright, so that's good. I actually prefer a bigger world, so let's go with 5. And again, if it is related to achievements, it would be nice to be able to see the achievements directly in-game. What does a square do? Oh, it makes it square or circle. Okay, that's good. So I can build a bunch more things. Alright, let's put a big one. Gonna put another big one. Nope. Some trees over there. Okay, a bunch of trees. I have no idea what that is supposed to be. Alright. It's a little bit strange how everything is so pixelated, but then over here the shadow is like super high resolution compared to the rest. So that's a bit of a strange visual thing, but okay. So I can place more trees, more camps, more things. So just fill in the whole world with trees and camps. What about walls? We continue making some walls over here. Okay, I'm definitely not someone who is good at visual things, as you can tell. This is definitely not the most appealing little castle. I have no idea what that is. Is that meant to be like a tiny gate? Is that it? Okay, that's my nice castle. Put a couple more towers. Okay, lots of trees, lots of things behind. And basically the bad guys come in front, something like that. Alright, so I think that's a... Look at that. Okay, apparently that did not make me an achievement. So my suggestion would be, in the beginning, in the first few playthroughs, definitely give the player at least something. So I got a few new buildings on the first world, but then the second and the third I got nothing. So it would be nice to have something that guarantees the player always gets a little bit of something. Or at least maybe some kind of indicator over here talking about the next easiest achievements. I think that's the main thing. I think the goal with the achievements, that is a good idea. But it really needs to be shown in game rather than having to go into the Steam Workshop to see that. Okay, so apparently even on the overlay I can't see the achievements, so that's odd. Okay, so it appears the game doesn't actually have achievements yet. Or does it only have these ones? Okay, so let me try to make a 5 world complete. Okay, make a 5 world like this and just complete it on everything. Okay, try to make just some massive walls and everything. Try to finish it. Did I miss one? Oh crap, I think I missed one. Okay, let me try it again. Just place a mountain of walls. Alright. Okay, so that worked. A wall with stairs. Easier to access than any of the other ones. Cavalry. So those are supposed to be horses? That kind of looks like a trebuchet. Okay, so there are a bunch more achievements. Place a rock on a one-tile world. Although suddenly I have no idea which one is a rock. Is this a rock? On a one-tile world. This is the cavalry. This is some wall. Okay, is this supposed to be rock? I guess it would be nice to have some kind of text saying which object do I have selected. So let's see if this one is a rock. Nope, apparently not. Okay, maybe I just don't have the rock. Place a house on a one-tile world. Okay, is this the house? Let's see. Okay, let's see this one. A 3-tile world with no castle objects. So a 3-tile world, no castle objects, so I have no idea what that is. Does cavalry count as a castle object? Well, let's put just some... Okay, does that work? Alright, got some water. Nice. There's a timer counting down, demo time. I have no idea what happens when that one gets down to 0. Okay, so let's see this one have more cavalry than houses. So on a 3-tile world, let's see which one was cavalry. I don't have cavalry. Okay, so that's a bit strange. I still haven't figured out what is the logic behind which blocks do I have available. Okay, so my thoughts. The idea is definitely interesting. The music is definitely quite chill, so I quite like that. It does visually look like one of those relaxing games, so I think visually and in terms of music, everything works quite great. The concept of going for the achievements, I also like that. I think that is pretty good. It reminds me of a Flash game that I used to love called Achievement Hunter. Was that the name? I think so. Where you just made thousands of achievements. That was a really awesome game. So I think this could have a similar satisfying feeling to that one. The only thing it needs is obviously some list of achievements directly inside the game as opposed to being on a external guide. And also it would be nice to be able to see the name of the things that I'm placing, and maybe just a suggestion of what is the next easy achievement that I could achieve. But yeah, in terms of going for a minimalist, super simple, relaxing city builder, yep, it does seem to be on the right track. Looking at the store page, I have to say this background works really well in-game, but over here it looks way too minimalistic, I would say overly minimalistic, to the point where it looks low quality, even though in the game it actually makes sense, it actually works out, but over here on the store page, it makes it look a bit worse. So maybe the game could feature like 2 modes, have one mode where the background is kind of like this void where it's just a gradient, and have another one where it's an actual physical background. I think that would help at least make the screenshots look a bit more inviting. Same thing for the capsule. I do think the title, I do think that is really good. And the castle on the side also looks pretty nice. Again, it's really just a background that seems overly basic. The short description is nice, short and to the point. Down here, yep, we've got some gifts, so that's great. Make your kingdom as small or as big, so that's nice. I would actually make this first gift start off as just a 1x1 world, then expand to an 11x11 world. I think that would be a bit more visually unique. And yep, really well written. Over here we've got various bullet points. And apparently one of them is frogs, so I have no idea what that means, but okay. So you feel like a chill, relaxing, minimalist city builder, then go ahead and add this one to your wishlist. Alright, so the first game we're going to look at is called Utter Takedown. So this one is a top-down, technical stealth game set in the 2000s. You have been a hitman for a long time, but after you stopped working with the local mafia, it decided to kidnap your family to get rid of you. Now your goal is to make the other mafia take it out. Let's try out the demo, and then I'll analyze the Steam store page. Alright, so first thing is on the main menu, there's a real nice wishlist on Steam button. This is always something you need to have, so that's great. Discord is also great if you can manage that community. And I also like the roadmap showing all the kinds of things that are coming up in the final release. The buttons, they do have some sound effects, so that's good. But they are super basic buttons, they have no impact whatsoever. So I would recommend adding some polish to the buttons so they pop up in some way, or at least change in a much more visually significant manner. So it could be as simple as just making the text turn black and the background turn white. Then on the logo over here, it looks super pixelated, which I'm guessing means just forgot to add the MIP maps. If you just enable MIP maps, then this should look quite a bit better. Okay, so let's try out the tutorial. Okay, that's a great transition. I really like that one. Video tutorials, always a great thing. I always enjoy that, so let's see. Okay, so WAS to move, all right. Okay, I really like the sound area. There's somebody asleep, so right away it makes me test. If I move closer, does anything happen? Okay, so I kind of expect her to wake up. Apparently I can interact. So I don't know, but anyway, great use of the custom cursors. This is something that actually not many games use, but it's something that always makes your game feel quite a bit more polished if you have a custom cursor as opposed to the default one. Okay, so anyways, let's try following the goal. So you can run faster with shift, and as you run, there's more noise. Okay, great. I have to say that running doesn't seem like it's much of a difference. Definitely doesn't seem quite as impactful. I would say to make it more impactful, to make it run quite a bit faster, but then again, that would break balancing, so I don't know if that was a deliberate choice. But it doesn't look a little bit way too sluggish, I would say. But let's see if it works with everything else. Apparently we can interact with some objects. Alright, so apparently it's right click. Okay, so I can pick up a knife, and I can pick up... Okay, it would be nice to have a little tooltip to know what this is. I assume that's a taser. Maybe the tutorial will talk about it in the future. Okay, yep, pick up items with right mouse button. You should be close enough. Okay, so that's great. Interacting with other objects, just left mouse button. Alright, you can change the camera angle and open doors with this technique. Okay, so we can open doors by modifying the camera. Alright, that's interesting. How exactly do I open doors with that? Okay, that's a bit... Alright, so apparently the camera has a bit of a strange behavior. It looks like it's intentional to not do a 180, so as I press Q, it rotates this area. Now I press Q again, and I would expect to rotate the other way, but apparently it goes back here. So that's a little bit confusing, but okay, I guess I can get used to it. Okay, let's open up doors. Okay, yeah, the camera rotation is definitely quite a bit tricky. I'm doing 180s when that is not my intention. Okay, no, like this. Yeah, all right. Being able to interact with all. That's great. In a game like this, being able to add these kind of tiny interactions, these are always great. So I'd recommend also adding an interaction over here with the sinks. That would be fun. The more interactions you add, the more it makes your game feel much more lived in, so that's always great. Okay, so I see a bad guy there, and there's no view cone, so I'm going to have to guess as to how much can he actually see. And I'm also going to have to guess how I'm going to attack him. I still haven't figured out how I can use the taser weapon. Oh boy, there's another one. Okay, apparently he can't see me all the way back here. So for a stealth game, I would appreciate if it was easier to be able to see the view cones. Is this... okay, no, this just shows the interactable objects. Alright. So yeah, for attacking, I still don't know, do I left click, do I right click, and that is going to be a bit stressful since this is a stealth game. So usually what you want to do in a tutorial like this one is you want it to be able to have the first attack be on some kind of dummy that does not attack you back. So I would suggest adding that kind of thing to the tutorial. Make the first one something that you pretty much cannot fail. Over here, I'm pretty much going to have to approach him and then try to guess. So let's try to go here. Go nice and easy, approach him, and I still don't see any icon, but if I click, okay, left click works. All right, that was good. That was nice animation. I don't like the particle effect. That was nice. The blood pooling in the floor, also really nice. And I can corpse bag. Oh, a corpse bag. Oh, okay, I can pick it up. And I can drop it anywhere. All right, okay, that's good. I like it. Now, there was another guy down here. Oh boy. Okay. All right, that was a bit way too fast, but all right. And apparently we go back into way the beginning. I would definitely recommend adding some checkpoints. But anyways, now I know what I need to do, so let me just quickly go through all of these. So I gotta pick it up again. Yep, okay, let me open. Oh boy, the camera is really tricky. Like, when I'm over here, I assume that pressing E is going to rotate this way, but as I do, it apparently rotates the other way, so that is really confusing, but okay. Oh, I didn't even see there was another door here. Oh, so you can actually see the cone site. Alright. So it seems that me going through the left door, that wasn't actually intentional. So yeah, I would definitely say the tutorial should force me down here instead of to the other one. This shows how to kill the enemy, how to see the view cone and the state, and see visual hints for the active item. Okay. Visual instructions for the active item. Oh, okay, so it shows the range. Oh, and you can also throw things. Although I still haven't figured out how to use different weapons, but okay. So as I go here, and I can apparently walk all over because she's not going to wake up. Oh, control plus move mouse to use the free look. Oh, okay, so that's good. I like it. Being able to see further, that's nice. Can I go outside? I can't. Okay. So if I use the X in order to be able to see the range of things, all right. And if I middle mouse click, I can see the view cone. Okay, so that's good. All right, so I got to take out this guy down here, then that one up there. But I still haven't figured out how to use different weapons. That's a bit odd. All right, got that one. Oh, there's only one left. Ah! All right, got to do it again. Okay, this definitely does need some checkpoints, but okay. I got to go through all of these every single time, go through all the hints. That's quite a bit annoying. Another thing I would suggest is on the camera over here, it seems like it only rotates 90 degrees. But in order to hit the door like this, it is really difficult. And like this, I don't like it. I don't like the other view. So I would basically like it to have a 45-degree camera. That way I could open all the doors in all of these vertical walls without having to constantly rotate the camera. That would be nice. Ah. Okay, let's try this again for about the 6th time. Oh god, gonna run away. Can I run away? Uh-oh. Okay, I gotta say the controls are a bit strange, the camera. Oh, why can't I kill him? What? What is going on? Okay, that's a bit... Why? Okay. Alright, that was quite frustrating. Oh, why can't I kill him? Okay, because this swapped weapons again. And I don't know why. Okay, I have no idea why this just swapped my weapon. But there's nothing that I can... I'm trying to click every button. Okay, so it's the numbers apparently. Alright, that was quite stressful, quite annoying. So I assume that's what happened a while ago. Alright, that definitely needs... That took me way too long to figure out. Definitely needs at least like some icons of some numbers over there. Anyways, okay. So let's see if I can finally do this. Alright, that was good. That one is apparently just one shot, but okay. Good to know. Ah, crap, the door again. Alright, finally. Whew. Oh boy. I gotta say, that was way too difficult. I don't know, maybe I just suck, but yeah, I think that took me about 10 tries. So I would say your tutorial level definitely shouldn't require 10 tries, 10 fails. So that definitely felt way too punishing. Usually for the first tutorial, you really want a super easy challenge. So that is why I would recommend adding some kind of dummies, just to teach how you actually use the items, use the things. And definitely not include so many enemies right off the bat on the very first tutorial. Again, maybe I just suck at the game, but that was definitely my experience. And just a quick thing over here, challenges, there's a small typo. Okay, second level. Your goal is to steal valuable papers from the head of this small drug farm. Do not kill the head. Okay, that's going to be interesting. Careful, this level is hard. Oh boy, even harder than the first one. Okay, that's going to be tricky. Let's use a civilian AI which can notice you. Always look before you go. Alright, so that's good. Alright, so now we've got NPCs. So I don't know what this plus icon is on top. Okay, that's kind of interesting. Why did it not see me? I mean, I like it, but yeah, that's nice. Is she not supposed to see me? Okay, so it's not a problem if she sees me? Oh. It just takes a while for her to wake up. There's gonna be that guy coming after me. So can I take him out? Alright, go back. Quickly. Alright, got both of them. There's another one. So no idea who is... Is that the guy that I can't kill? Okay, they're away. So far, so good. I just took out 3 guys. That's nice. We got a nice taser. I think I would really prefer if the camera zoom, if that snapped back to the character. Because this is so strange. Right now I have no idea. Oh, doesn't even have a limit. Is that intentional? I assume that's not intentional. Am I supposed to be able to see that far away? Either way, I really think that it should snap back. Because like this, now it's really tricky. Interactive tools. So there's a cup. What can I do with the cup? I can pick it up. And yeah, I guess I can... Oh, it makes noise. That's nice. Once again, the whole thing, why can't I interact through the wall? The camera is really very tricky. Oh, okay, that was definitely not intended. I clicked on the UI and it threw the cup. That is not what I wanted. Okay, let me try and I throw in there. Ah, didn't get him. So I guess it would be nice to be able to see the audio range. So let me try to throw over there. Okay, so that's the maximum. All right, there they go. I'm gonna try to jump in, and I was spotted. He's gonna kill me? Oh boy. Okay, it doesn't see me. Nice. Okay, it doesn't see me either. Let's see if I can now go in. Oh, right, because I can't kill him. So this is actually a bad spot. Oh, this is locked. Okay, I did not expect that. So is this guy supposed to be the boss? Oh no, that's the boss. Ah. Alright, so I think that's gonna be it for the game. Maybe it's just me, but it seems a bit way too difficult, way too punishing. I would definitely add some checkpoints. I would also look at games like, for example, Desperados 3 to see what they do. Like, for example, whenever you get caught, whenever you get inside the field of view cone for one of the enemies, time slows down, you actually have an option to do something, whereas over here you just die in one hit, so the whole thing becomes really frustrating. The camera was also quite a bit frustrating. The way that it only rotates in one direction, then does a strange 180. The way that I cannot pick up things through the walls. And the way that the field of view seems to be higher above ground, so it's not exactly perfect as to where exactly the character is. So the game definitely requires some polish, a bunch of changes, but all in all, I like the general game idea. I'm a big fan of stealth action games, so yep, I would say this is a great starting point, so keep at it. Looking at the store page, I do think the store page is set up pretty nicely. So the capsule over here, capsule is extremely important. I do think this is a nice looking capsule, although it makes it seem a bit more like some kind of gang war as opposed to stealth action. So it looks good, but might not be 100% accurate to what the game is. For the short description, usually you want this to be more from the point of view of the player, so like what is the player actually going to do in the game, as opposed to pretty much just pointing out some lore. Some lore and story, that's always fun, but the player usually quickly wants to know what exactly do they do in the game, and for that, these screenshots I actually do think they are very good. They are pretty varied, they show various scenarios, and they show the UI showing how the game actually works, so it makes it clear how it's a top-down stealth thing. The only thing is over here on the big description, I always encourage you to put up some animated GIFs. Those always make things look quite a bit better. And again, same thing, instead of writing this from the point of view of lore about the game or what features the game has, try to write from the point of view of the actual player. What does the player actually do in your game? So instead of the game features a diverse range of maps, instead of that, maybe something like play through 10 different maps, all of them with unique abilities and meet interesting characters, something like that. In general, you really want to write your description from the point of view of the player as opposed to what does the game actually contain. So if you like some top-down stealth action, then go ahead and add this into your wishlist. Okay, so that's 5 games that you made. Thanks so much for submitting them. I wish you all the best of luck with your full release. I hope it helped you to hear my feedback and see how I play the games. I know that as a developer myself, it was extremely useful to watch people play my own game. It helped me improve lots of things that I never thought about simply because different people play games differently. So I hope that this video helps you in the same way. Check out the website page to see all the other games that I didn't have time to play. And if you enjoyed this format, go ahead, hit the like button and subscribe. If people enjoy this, and I'll keep doing it every time there's a new Steam Festival. Alright, so thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.